Hey, what's going on YouTube? So in today's video, we are doing a photo shoot with this like crazy modified CTS-V and a couple of friends. We do a lot of wheelies, burnouts, all that crazy shit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh shit. Park rangers. Yeah, we're good. They're not looking at us. He tried grabbing your hand. Oh. Yeah. And the guy in the fucking CTS is from Outlaws? Oh, I see. Oh, what the fuck? I killed it. Oh, Jesus, see? What? Did you just smack his mirror? Oh God. Wheelies. That's pretty good. Do some warm-up practice. Oh boy. Oh shit. Got fucking E85. Oh God, he would smoke us. I bet that thing's 1,000 horse. Damn, that is, it's gutted. Holy shit.
Either one of you have a knife?
Not on me, no. Do you?
What?
Knife? I like the Modelo overflow can.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. He's got a Modelo can for the overflow.
This thing would smack your Mercedes.
Yeah, no duh would smack my Mercedes. No duh.
What the fuck?
Stock Mercedes versus a fucking...
Dude, you got fucking knife.
I know. Look at the radials on this thing.
Yeah, no, I'm not racing this.
RSV4 and I can beat a 1000.
Jesus Christ.
750s are a little bit more difficult. They're real torque
The
light.
750s because the lighter.
Yep.
I might be able to put up a fight with you until like 100, 120.
Which on your bike?
Yeah, it's an 850 triple.
Yeah. No, I agree. I race with it. I'd like to.
Yeah, let's do it.
I can't race today.
Ah, damn. All right.
As slow as possible. And the only reason that passenger seat's out is because I'm a really big dog. He rides on the passenger side.
Nice.
So he takes up that whole area.
Ah, yes, sir. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. Ah, fuck. Let's do one next to you. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I can start my seconds pretty slow. Two. Nice. That was a good one.
Damn. Right
after that landed broke here, like the best one. Hey, I got some really decent ones.
I'm almost back. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Look at that Civic with a GT wing. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's an Accord. Ew. Yeah, they could. Accord V6. Got Neo's wheels on it.
Same color as yours, I think. I started on a GT550 Suzuki 2-stroke 3-cylinder.
Oh, this is a 3-cylinder right here.
That's a fucking rock. Now I've got 14 of these fuckers. Yeah, I've never been married, so.
One for every one for every day of the week. Two for every day. Yeah.
Well, I gave 2 of them away. I gave my nephew a bagger that lives in Bend, and my other nephew, I gave, this is a 2002 Dyna.
Mhm.
I gave him a 2002 Softail Standard.
Nice.
That's what he got for Christmas this last year.
Oh yeah.
This is a me one. All of my buddies are saying,
You have a good day, man.
nice ride, guys.
Thank you. Nice.
He thinks it's a little too busy.
Radiator.
So pull up right there and do a burnout.
All right. Like going this way or this way? Another one? Burnout? Burnout or wheelie? Okay.
Gotta get the drone off of this.
Yeah.
Alright, you're good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Minty.
That's the smell of a $200 tire going down the toilet. Hell yeah.
Oh, dude, you fucking burnt You burnt it on that one.
I know, I really fucking burnt it bad.
Look at that, you got chunks.
Hey, I did get that whole burnout.
Okay, good. Worth it then.
It was kind of shitty because that truck came by.
Yeah. Damn. My bad. My bad. What?
Better hurry up.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, that was a pretty good one actually. Shit, Ethan killing it, dog. This is the hooligan group I love. Max pass. It's good seeing you, bro. Oh shit. Yo! Oh shit. Hard brake and swooping. I just want to say thank you guys for all the support recently. Like, it's been awesome. Just I guess I got featured on Moto Insanity, and he got like 1 million views, and I was the thumbnail, and that's why I'm getting a bunch of these subscribers. That's my guess. But I mean, we passed 100 subscribers. We passed like 120. I mean, we've gained like 90 subscribers in the last fucking, I don't know, month. It's just awesome, and I'm so happy, and I'm glad that all of you are here. And I'm happy to see 100 subscriber goal down and on to the next 100, you know? It's so cool. Like, all I ever wanted, like, even from when I was a kid making like video game videos, you know, like, was just to have like a decent, like, little group of people who watch my content that I can entertain. Like, that's the coolest thing to me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, all you subscribers. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video, and I'll see you fucking next time, boys.